Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and doing good at your home. Now, it's time to discuss the question answers of chapter 1. It's time to actually revise the question answers of chapter 1 from your book Honeycomb. Okay, so chapter is 3 questions. So, comprehension check first. Why did the king want to know answers to his 3 questions? What was the reason? So the king believed that if he found the answers to 3 questions, he would never fail in life. No one can defeat him. Okay, that is why he wanted the answers. Question number 2. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. So what was the reason to send the messengers? To fetch wise men? No, to find the answer to the questions? To look for the wise hermit? To announce a reward for those who could answer the questions. So this one is right answer. To announce a reward for those who could answer. Okay. Now working with the text part. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? So some people suggested that the king needed to take the help of magicians because who would be able to look into the future? A magician can. According to them, a magician can able to look into the future and warn him about urgent works that may suddenly come up. So all of them suggested him to go to the magician to see the future. Now, in answer to the question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Whose advice? Okay, so they all have different opinion. So it was suggested by some people that the best people to advise the king would be his counselors. His advisors would be best advisor would be his counselors. Okay, who were in the committee of counselor. So others said that the doctors would be better, while some felt that the priests of temples, okay, would be very important. So some others felt that the most important people would be the soldiers serving the country. So everyone over there, they all have different opinion, all have different thinking. So they all suggested different answers. That is why king was getting confused. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? So in order to the third question, it was suggested by some people that the king should choose science. So some others said that being a warrior, so he should choose fighting, and few people also suggested that the most important thing for him to do was should be praying to God. So here we have discussed some questions, some left questions in next video. So students, revise, learn questions, revise daily, revise your chapters. Okay. So till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.